Is your WordPress site slow, driving visitors away before they even see your content? In this video, we'll review the ultimate tips and tricks to supercharge your site, ensuring lightning-fast load times and a seamless user experience. Hi there, I'm Jade from Rapyd, the high-performance hosting provider your website deserves. Today, I'm going to show you how to speed up your website with some practical and effective tips. Let's dive right in. First things first, pick a fast hosting solution. Choosing performance-optimized WordPress hosting is one of the most impactful actions you can take to enhance your site's backend performance. If your hosting service is slow, your website is likely to be sluggish as well, regardless of how well you've optimized the front end. With Rapyd Cloud, that will never be a problem for you. Rapyd provides you top-notch speed and reliability, making your site run smoothly. We ensure that feature-rich websites remain fast and responsive even when there are heavy traffic spikes. Our dynamic platforms provides real-time resource adjustment and network management, enabling your digital growth without performance hiccups. Click the link in the description to find more about how Rapyd Cloud can help you speed up your website. Next, choose the closest server location. When choosing a host, you should also pay attention to the available server locations. The physical location of your server will have an effect on your page load times because physical distance affects download speeds. Ideally, you will want to choose a host that offers a server located in the same location as your primary target audience. The closer your server is to your visitors, the faster your website will load for them. Use a content delivery network. The further away a device is from your server's physical location, the longer the pages will take to load, especially impacting international users and those in remote areas. Fortunately, you can mitigate that issue with a content delivery network or CDN. A CDN is a network of interconnected servers spread across the globe, each storing copies of your website's JavaScript, CSS, and image files. When someone requests a page on your site, the closest server to that user delivers these files, significantly speeding up load times. This ensures your website performs well for visitors everywhere, near and far. Setting up a CDN on a WordPress site is straightforward. Most hosting providers offer CDN services as part of their plans or as an add-on, handling all content delivery for you and giving your site a global reach with consistently fast load speeds. At Rapyd, we offer the free Rapyd CDN that enhances your website's performance by quickly delivering content to your visitors regardless of their global location. Next, deliver content over HTTP/2. This new protocol allows for faster and more efficient data transfer between the server and the browser. Most modern hosting providers, including Rapyd Cloud, support HTTP 2, so make sure it's enabled. Next, choose an optimized theme for your website. Just like plugins, your active WordPress theme could be putting unnecessary strain on your web server. Themes loaded with high-quality images and fancy effects might look great, but they can be costly in terms of performance. These effects often require a lot of code, and many themes are inefficiently programmed, leading to larger file sizes and slower page performance. Instead, choose a simple theme with just the essential features for your pages. You can always add more effects later using plugins or custom CSS if you want to enhance your site's appearance. On average, images make up about half of the file size of most websites. This makes optimizing images a huge opportunity to reduce your site's size and speed it up. There are two key aspects when it comes to image optimization: resize dimensions and compression. Resizing dimensions implies resizing the image based on its usage. After resizing, compress the image to further reduce its file size. There are two types of compression: lossy compression, which reduces file size significantly with some loss in quality, and lossless compression, which reduces file size with no loss in quality but to a lesser extent. For most websites, a good strategy is to resize images to their display width and use lossy compression unless high image quality is essential, such as for photographers. You can optimize images before uploading them using tools like TinyPNG or ImageOptim. to compress your images before uploading them to your site. Next, if you're a WordPress administrator, managing updates is an essential part of your routine. Always update your WordPress core, plugins, and themes. Keeping everything up to date ensures you're benefiting from the latest performance improvements and security patches. Uninstall deactivated plugins. Even inactive plugins can slow down your site. Regularly clean up your WordPress dashboard and remove any plugins you're not using. Our next tip is to minify your HTML, CSS, and JavaScript files. Minification is the process of reducing the size of your web pages and script files by minimizing the code and markup. Minification dramatically improves site speed and accessibility, directly translating into a better user experience. Plugins like Auto-Optimize or WP Rocket can help with this. Use the latest PHP version. Newer versions of PHP are more efficient and can significantly boost your site's performance. Check with your hosting provider to ensure you're running the latest version. Your WordPress site's database holds all your site's content and settings. When someone visits your site, the server queries the database to retrieve the necessary information to render the page. But page caching can bypass this process for most visitors. Generally, the larger and more complex your database is, the longer these queries will take. This not only slows down your site's performance, but also wastes your server's resources. Keeping your database optimized is crucial for maintaining a fast and efficient website. Use plugins like WP Optimize to clean up and optimize your database for better performance. And there you have it. Several tips on how to optimize your WordPress site's speed. By following these steps, you'll ensure your website is running at top speed, providing a great experience for your visitors. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips. I'll see you in the next video.